Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to recover the console port login password. Logging into a switch through the console port is a local management mode that is most commonly used. Generally, a password is configured for logging into a switch through the console port to ensure security. You can log into the switch for configuration and management only after entering the correct password. So what should you do if you forget the console port login password? I will give you two solutions. 1. Log into the switch using other login modes. For example, you can log into the switch using Telnet or STelnet and reconfigure the console port login password. 2. If you cannot log into the switch using other login modes, you can clear the console port login password using the boot ROM menu. Note that this solution requires a system reboot. Therefore, select a proper time to perform this operation. Now, let's see the configuration procedure for the first solution. If the password authentication mode is used for console port login, you only need to reconfigure the password in the console user interface. If the AAA authentication mode is used for the console port login, you need to reconfigure the password in the AAA view. The boot ROM menu is used in the second solution. In V100, R00, 6C03, and later versions, the default boot ROM password is admin@huawei.com for both fixed and modular switches. However, in versions earlier than V110, R006, C03, the default boot ROM password for fixed switches is HUAWEI, and that for modular switches is 9300. Next, let's see the configuration procedure on a switch. Let's take a look at the first solution. Because the console port login password is forgotten, log in to the switch using other login modes. In this example, Telnet login is used. Let's see how to reconfigure the login password. Enter the console user interface view. Configure the password authentication mode. Set the login password to HUAWEI@123. Exit from the view and save the configuration. Now, we can use the newly configured password to log in to the switch. Okay, the console port login password is reconfigured successfully. Next, let's see the second solution. Clearing the console port login password using the boot ROM menu. Connect a PC to the switch using a serial cable. Power off and restart the switch. When the following information is displayed, press Ctrl+B and enter the boot ROM password. The boot ROM main menu is displayed. Select 7 and press Enter. The system asks whether to clear the console port login password. Enter Y. The boot ROM main menu is then displayed. Select 1 to restart the switch. Do not select 8. Otherwise, the password fails to be cleared. The switch then restarts. After the switch starts, the system asks whether to configure a password for console port login for the first time. You can reconfigure a console port login password. Keep the password secure. Okay, that's all about how to recover the console port login password. To obtain more information about common configurations and features of Huawei switches, you can refer to the All About Switches threads on Huawei's Enterprise Support Community site. You can find these threads by entering the following in Google's search field: open quote, all about switches, close quote, site:/Huawei.com. Then click any of the links displayed to enter Huawei's Enterprise Support Community. All About Switches threads describe typical configurations and address frequently asked questions about Huawei switches. For more details about features, please visit the community homepage. That's all for today's lesson. Thank you.